In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay sales tax in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to record your payment cleanly so your books stay accurate and up to date. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking at the left navigation panel. Click Taxes. This is your hub for anything related to sales tax. Once you're there, open the Sales Tax tab. If you're new to sales tax in QuickBooks, you may be prompted to complete a quick setup. That's normal. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your tax agency, your filing frequency, and any required details specific to your location. This ensures QuickBooks calculates and tracks what you owe correctly going forward. With setup out of the way, you'll see your sales tax centers and the amounts due. Find the sales tax period or agency you've paid, and click Review Sales Tax. This view helps you confirm the period, the total owed, and how QuickBooks arrived at that total. It's a good place to double-check you're working on the right filing period before you record the payment. Next, you have a choice for how to record it. If you're simply logging the payment you made to your tax agency, click Record Payment. If you need to account for a difference, maybe a small rounding change, a credit, a penalty, or you've made a payment in advance, choose. Add an adjustment and/or prepayment. Adjustments help you keep your books aligned with the exact amount the agency expects, while prepayments let you log money sent ahead of the filing due date. Now enter the payment details carefully. Pick the bank or credit card account the money came from, select the payment date, and enter the exact amount you paid. If you use a check or have a reference number from your bank or the agency portal, add it so you can find this payment easily later. A short memo can also be helpful, such as noting the filing period or confirmation reference. Take a moment to confirm the totals match what you actually paid. When everything looks right, click Add to save the payment. That's it. Your sales tax payment is now recorded, the amount due for that period is reduced accordingly, and your books reflect the transaction. If you ever need to review it, you can return to the Sales Tax tab to see the status and history for each period. Keep repeating this process each time you file, and your sales tax records will stay accurate and organized. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your QuickBooks Online sales tax in order.